Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a special DIY hair treatment that will leave your hair soft, nourished, and deeply hydrated. If your hair is feeling dry, brittle, or just needs some extra love, you don't want to miss this. We're using some powerful natural ingredients today. Banana for deep moisture, cornstarch for smoothness, hibiscus for strength, honey and glycerin for hydration, plus my special infused oils for extra nourishment. Let's get into it.
Okay guys, after putting my banana into my blender, the peels, I'm putting it inside my pan. I'm going to add olive leaf inside and boil it because I want to use it to raise our head, me and my daughter, after we finish doing our treatment. So you can see the banana. So if you also peel your banana, don't throw it away, it's having benefit. So now after the banana, I'm adding my hibiscus into my blender. Okay, I added a hibiscus. My next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be cornstarch. Please guys, just pardon me because my daughter is talking more than me. So I added my cornstarch inside and blended it. Now as you guys can see, I'm about to strain my hair mask. This hair mask is packed with natural 100% natural ingredients. So now after straining it, you can see that I'm straining it, my banana, hibiscus and cornstarch. So after that, I added my infusing oil. Please, if you are interested to see how I infuse this oil, check my channel or check the description below. You'll see the video over there. So after adding my oil, the next thing is I'm going to add honey inside. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey inside. This honey, I love to add honey into my treatments. Okay, so maybe you also can add it or you can skip that part, is up to you. And this hair mask is packed with pure natural ingredients without any chemicals and is good for all the hair type. So after finish everything, now I'm going to apply it to my daughter to show it to you guys how to apply it to your hair. First of all, I wash my daughter hair yesterday, so but it's only that I didn't do anything. You can see how the hair is dry. So before putting the hair mask, I have to hydrate her hair with the hair tea that I make already with hibiscus and clove and moringa rosemary hair tea. So now that one I'm spraying it to my daughter hair, dry hair. The hair is dry. I'm spraying it into and doing gentle massaging it. Guys, it's very nice to be using this thing into your hair if you are really looking for a way to grow your hair. These things, don't skip it. Every week, if you don't make anything to your hair, try to be using hair mask to your hair, maybe at least once in a week, or in 2 weeks time you make once into your hair. It's very benefit for all of us, we those who are, even if you don't want to grow your hair, at least to make your hair look very nice and easier way to manage it, combing it very easy. At least try to be using hair mask into your hair or into your scalp. So now guys, as you guys can see, I'm applying my hair mask into my daughter hair. This hair mask is deep moisturizing and hydrating, strengthening and protecting breaking. If your hair is breaking, it's leaving hair smooth. 100%, as I say, it's 100% natural ingredient, no chemical thing. I didn't add any chemical things inside, and also even I don't like to add chemical things to my treatments or to my things. So oh my god guys, I'm so sorry, pardon me with my daughter. She's trying, she want me to do something for her. So now I'm applying it to my daughter hair. As you guys can see how the hair, actually I really love this hair mask. This is not my first time been using it, especially I love these days, I love adding hibiscus into my treatments or my hair mask because I'm seeing these things, it's working for me. Maybe I'm not saying that it will not work for you because all the natural ingredients are very nice and it's good for all the hair type when you are putting it or you are doing it in the right way. So now after doing it this way, you can see that I make it section by section. I make it 4 sections. Okay, I make it into 4 sections because I just want the thing to penetrate very well inside my daughter. Oh my god, my daughter will not allow me to talk. So now this is this is me and my daughter, our hair mask treatment or our hair growing journey treatment. So please, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time across in this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. Please, if you are not even ready to grow your hair, just follow us and see how Princess, let us grow Princess hair together, okay? Because I started a Scots from the scratch that they are saying. Sorry guys, me, I don't know the English, I'm just learning. So I started doing it from the scratch. So I want you guys to join us so that we all grow Princess hair together, okay guys? Yes, now after making it into section, I'm twisting it. Actually, I did it already, but this girl, she promised me that she will not leave it alone. You can see that she also put in her hand while I'm twisting it. She's using her hand, removing it, simply because of this honey, because of that honey that is inside. This girl, she will remove everything and put inside her mouth, putting it into her mouth. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to use some rubber bag to cover it, because when you did it this way, try to sit at least 30 minutes. And because she's a child, you know, I don't know, sometimes she sit down up to that 30 minutes, sometimes she sit more than that, and sometimes she's not even allow me to leave the things into her hair even up to 10 minutes. So it depends. So, and this hair mask is very good. I started doing to my daughter like 18 months. So maybe if your child, you are going to do it for like when the child is more than 1 year, don't use it for a baby hair, you know, maybe because I don't know, maybe it can have something to affect, you know, children, their skin is very sensitive, or how are they saying? Please tell me in the comments below how are they saying it. So guys, correct me my English, okay, so that let me learn the English from you guys. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. As I said earlier, try your best to subscribe to this channel for more video like this. If you are interested to see or to know or to learn how to protect your hair, this channel is for you. Or if you are interested, want to see how Princess hair, how long are we going to take this child hair go, please then subscribe and on the notification bell. Anytime when I'm going to make any DIY things about hair growth things, YouTube, they will notify you for you to watch it. Thanks for watching.